Here's one of the blue tables, smaller blue tables that we've got here, and I'll just take you around. You can see how well finished it is. Super sturdy. I'm giving it a really big hard push. You can see the edges there where it's got the original green finish on there, and they've stabilized it with a stretcher bar along here and supports here. So we really put lots of work into making sure that we're not just simply passing on furniture that we've bought. So it's super sturdy, ideal size. You can see the original fantastic old nuts and the bolts that we keep there, and all the digs and all the holes. We just leave that as original as we can. We just give it a good polish, a good clean, and then we lacquer it to make sure that we kind of preserve all of that hard work that's been done. So we've got a whole lot of these tables. An unusual size. It's small, much smaller than the tables that we've worked with before, but I think it's going to be a real success, this particular size of table.